my name is Gunilla and I am the guide on this 5-day tour that are going to take us from Landmannalaugar and down to Thórsmörk via the Laugavegur trek. The whole trek is 54 kilometers or just over 35 miles. We are breaking it down into 4 different stages and walking about 12 to 16 kilometers every day in very varied terrain. We're up on about 600 meters elevation just now, and our first day trip is going to take us over to Krapnisker, which is the first hut located a little bit higher on about 1100 meters. It's a stretch of about 12 kilometers roughly, and it will take us through very varied terrain. We're starting with a big lava field before we then start ascending up on Breinsteinsdalda and coming up to the high plateaus of Krapnisker itself. We expect to take about 4 or 5 hours to get there. Today is day 2 and we've just woken up here in beautiful Krapnisker, the highest part of the trek. We're just over 1,000 meters. Today our trip is going to take us from here in Krapnisker and we're going to descend into the green valleys and lakes of Altavatn. It is a distance of about 12 kilometers. It is day 3 on the hike, and today we're doing a 16-kilometer stretch from Altavatn and down to the Botnar hut in Emstrur. Today is the morning of day 4. We are now in Emstrur and we're doing the final stretch to get over to the Langedalur camp in Thórsmörk, which is 16 kilometers away. On the way we'll be doing a couple of river crossings, and we are experiencing proper Icelandic weather today, namely rather windy and some light precipitation. So off we go. Job well done! Congratulations! You did it!
Success!
Success!